I just made more than $10 in 10 minutes. I just made $280. So now profit for loss of the day, 210. So now my account value is at 1,034. Remember earlier it was at 700 something? All right, everybody. So today, my nephew here, you know, JJ, he doesn't believe me. So tell me, do you believe that I could make $10 in 10 minutes?
No way.
I'm going to show him how to make $10 in 10 minutes with only $1,000. All right. So check this out. We all know Costco, right? You want to buy it at wholesale prices. So check this out. This is COST. All right. So if we see Costco maybe pull back to a level of support, I could actually go in here and place a trade. So if it went down to here, I can put in an order that says buy, right? And it will say my resulting buying power. So if I just buy one share there, it'll fill me if it gets down there. But you know what? I don't want it. That's a $934 stock. Let's go try the SPX. See how in the morning at, what time was this? This is at 9:47 Pacific Standard Time. See how that was the low, right? So if you just draw a line there, well, guess what? For 5-6 hours, right? For 5-6 hours, it finally touched it again. So over here, all we did was trade higher, and then we came all the way back down. So basically all this action right here got wiped away. Does that make sense? Like everything that just happened for the last 5 hours, right, just got like wiped away. It went up and it went back down, and we're right back down there. You see this candle right here? See how it just had a big like little uptick right here?
Yeah.
So if you look at the bet, I bought this bet down 125 now, and you're like, what the heck? But it went up. Why are you down that much? The reason is because I bought it for $5.10. It's trading for $3.60, but this is per share. So because time is your enemy, it's decaying really fast. So here, what it's saying is we need a big move in a shorter amount of time for this to pay off. As long as it doesn't break down below here, we want it to get up here for it to be profitable. And this bet, see it's 430, that means it went up. See that? Boom. I can already tell, because if price goes up, it's gonna make that
right here.
Yeah, see this is the candle that's moving right now. So see how it's going up? So look, you can see the price go up. See 420. All right, oh, boom, big candle, look, 450. See that? Because that big candle went up, now this is going for 440, which is $440. So I'm profitable. Look, before I was down, now I'm up. This to break even is 510. So right now I'm down $90. Oh, look at that push up. Come on, how much is it? And you can cash out on this game anytime. Like I could go in here and sell. Yeah, like right here, if I go in and sell it, because I bought it for what, 510, right? I can say, okay, if it gets to 710, sell it. So watch, confirm and send. Oh, it jumped. I think I sold it. Look at that. See, because look, oh man, I sold too early. Now it's 800, right? So look, because look at what happened. I shouldn't have sold it, because look, it had this big candle right here, right? So look at the trade, right? How much money did I make in that trade? $280. Isn't that crazy? I just made more than $10 in 10 minutes. I just made $280. So now profit for loss of the day, 210. So now my account value is at 1,034. Remember earlier it was at 700 something? Now my account balance is at 1,034, which means I'm gonna start this $1,000 challenge on Monday from the Bahamas. So Bahamas on Monday is day one of my launch, where I'm gonna try to turn $1,000, 1% a day. That's only $10. You just saw me make what? $280 in like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna try to teach you how to make, out of $1,000 account, which is what I just showed you, I'm trying to make 1%, right? 0.01. Do you guys know how much 1% of 1,000 is? That's only $10 a day. I'm gonna show you how to do this with stock.